what do we got here? A product of Dubai. There's 22 servings. 2 pieces is a serving. We got 150 calories. It says store in a cool, dry place. Wheat, flour, and sugar. A product of Dubai. There we go. Baklava. Imported. So what is this? Premium baklava with pistachio nest, scrumptious layers. Let's try the pistachio nest first. So there's the pistachio nest. I don't think I've ever had one of these before. Let's give it a try. Here we go. A lot of sugar. A whole lot of sugar. Maybe too much sugar. What's the second one? Let's try the crunchy square cashew with pistachio. That would be that one right there. So the bird nest, pistachio nest is it's good, but it's a little sugary. Let's try this one. So look at that. Layers. Let's try the layers. Let's see what we get. Oh man, it looks good. Let's taste it. Very sugary. Very sugary. Almost too sugary. Very sweet.